and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this episode you will see my husband Francis renovating our washroom that was badly damaged due to a burst pipe.
That's that off. Just got to take this one off and I'm done then. Right. Would have liked to have tucked off there, but I can't, so I'm going to take that off there and then put it back on again in there. To be dropped off the door, this.
Thought that was stuck on.
You have to drop outside the door. Do you know? Well, that's definitely empty. 100%. Right.
You mean drop it off the step?
I'll have to. I won't be able to lift that.
Won't them trolleys what you've got be any good to help you?
No, I'll just drop off on the step and then just go it down. This. That didn't stop me from lifting. Come off right? No. Oh yeah, it's off.
What's that?
Oh, the pump. Oh, the edge this.
Be careful.
I'll let it go if I have to. Don't damage myself with it.
How long ago did he fit that? About 5 years ago.
Yeah, 5, 6.
And that was a refurbished boiler.
Doesn't look like it's been refurbished to me.
No. Is that heavy?
What?
Is that heavy?
Just a bit.
Let's have a look down there, see what's going on down there.
And if I get the floor filled in now, go all out. It's flew. Clean it up. Tag the walls. We're done then. Take out what pipes you don't need. I'll foam this. I know.
Careful, it's all stuck.
I know what I'm trying not to do. It's got to go away, haven't I?
Walls falling apart.
It's It's not since the stack outside of it. Easy fix. Good riddance to bad crap. Right, I'll just foam that for now. Clear all this. Get Mr. Marshall out for that. Yeah. Let's get the okay. Just clean up in no time. Let's just mop all the floor for the clean mopping.
Let's get a new mopper out today.
What?
Let's get a new mop.
Here's my bucket as well, can I say? Let's get that sub there. Let's get them all over the place. plenty that won't it?
Yeah.
I mean for them pipes. I'll take this door out, I'll start getting this fixed, fix this to the ceiling, put these brackets in and start getting this one in. You go on and cleanse it, link out what it's going to look like, haven't you?
Yeah. And you got to put the push the brackets at the top before you take the door out.
Well, all that's going to push back like that. Doors will be straightened up. Which brackets?
Haven't you got to do that first before you take the door off?
No, I'm trying to get all the braces in first. These ones here, I've got one, and then screw that to the floor, and then that's it then. Start straightening it up. Because that's got plenty there, and I'm just doing the floor like that. That's got plenty. Yeah, you can straighten the door up that nicely as well. So I'll just get the braces in first. Right, there's some other ones. It's 75 mils.
That's a lot for them.
Oh yeah. I don't remember mixing them, you know. So,
I think you did to get rid of the boxes, didn't you?
right. We'll have to finish Apollo 13.
Yeah.
Look nice when it's all done though, won't it?
I've got to try and prevent
What?
Got to try and prevent leaks on here.
I've had 2 leaks before, mate.
Yeah.
We should sure that's
Got to cover all that piping off now with that pipe and stuff.
yeah, I've got like all the wall here as well, so
Do you want to do the wall first?
yeah, well, if I can lag the wall,
You can do the walls then and I'll
And then
finish them.
I'm going to wrap the pipes again anyway, more lagging.
Okay.
So the walls are a mess, aren't they?
Yeah. This room you see here is an extension that was added to the property many years after it was built. It had no insulation and no heating.
Sorry for this cupboard, isn't it? Right.
Yeah.
Alors déjà, première question. Bonsoir à tous. Donc en effet le mouvement va continuer dès demain. En fait, ça continue demain. Ouais, en fait pour expliquer, chaque jour il y a des assemblées générales. Donc c'était reconduit pour demain et chaque jour en fait on vote pour mais ça veut dire quoi? Ça veut dire que pour la reproduction et donc exactement. Ah bon, déjà là il y a le prolonge tel.
Should we chip up on the chip cost now? Let's go. So what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to cut one from there to there, put my batten there, and just cut a piece from there. I can use up on this side as well, do you know what I mean? It's only a cupboard, isn't it? It's not as if there's anything heavy going in there. It's only just sheets now, isn't it? Towels. What do you want, love, is another long one of them.
Here we are.
Oh. Ceiling's going down low here, isn't it? So, there's the centre line. That's it, eh? Is that my batten there? It is, isn't it? Yeah, there it is.
You need them too on there, don't you?
No, I need one on the side as well. A door. Can you pass me one of those black screws though, please? Or pass me the box, I'll put the box over here by me. Where's your batten now? There you are. Floor's getting hired anyway, so I'm not touching the floor really. There you go. Nice bit. I need to get the glass wrapped doors, you know. Do you know?
Thank you for watching. Please follow us on our journey as we renovate our property in France.